Hello everyone, welcome back to CADD Nest YouTube channel, an educational institution. This is Arshia here. In previous session, I have done with introduction to Power BI. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Power BI on desktop. Now I am going to show you how to download Power BI on Windows 10 operating system. Firstly, we have to download it. Go to the browser. I am using here Chrome. You can use any other browser, not only Chrome. And then search for Power BI free download. And then hit enter. So here you will get Microsoft Power BI desktop. Download Microsoft Power BI, getting started with Power BI for free. So what I'll do here, just I'll click on Microsoft Power BI option. This is free website. This is not compulsory to pay here. Really we can install and download the software here. And then go to the menu bar. In menu bar we'll get product. Here just click on product tab. In product tab just click on Power BI desktop. After clicking Power BI desktop, one more tab is open over here. You can visible to see here. And now I'm going to download free here. Just click on download free option. Before downloading it, even you can change the language. Here you can see download our language option. Here just click on language option. You will get another options here. Different kinds of language you will get here. Even we can download in different language like France, German, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. There are different kinds of language you can download in any language. Here I'll go for English and download it. I set up minimum it should be 64-bit. So I'll click on Power BI desktop 64-bit. Then next we have to use here. Even you can see system requirement, just click on that one. You can see system requirement here. Windows 10, Windows Server, it should be 2012, and minimum it should be 32-bit to 64-bit. But now it is not a big issue. Just I'll minimize this one. Now just click on download. And now here we have to select Power BI desktop 64 inches and we have to click on next option. Download I have been started here. You need to wait for few seconds. It take a time to download. Here download successfully finished. Just click on Power BI desktop. Double click here. Once download finished, you can select the language here. Installation is not so difficult thing. Directly you can select the language here. After selecting the language, you can just click on next option. So here do you want to allow this app to make any changes to your device, so we have to give yes here. Just click on yes option. Then automatically it is showing some visible screen here. You can see the screen. It's going to install the software. It take time to install. It take few seconds to install it. Again you need to click on next option. Then here we have to accept the terms and conditions. Again we have to click on next option. Then again we have to click on next option. Before giving next, if you want to change the C drive, you can change the C drive here. Instead of saving in C drive, you can save in some other drive. And then just click on install option. Few seconds to install. And now our installation is successfully finished. Just click on finished option. So Power BI is successfully finished here. Now I'll go to Windows starting button. I'll search here Power BI. Now directly you can work on Power BI. Easily you can work on Power BI. You can see Power BI is successfully installed over here. And now we can easily work on Power BI desktop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.